Planning a move from Kirkland, Washington to somewhere else in the USA? Whether it's for a new job, family, or a fresh start, long-distance moves can feel overwhelming. Today, I'm sharing practical tips on how to plan a smooth move and how 3 movers can make the process stress-free from start to finish. The key to a smooth long-distance move is planning. Start 4 to 6 weeks ahead, set your moving date, and create a checklist of tasks. Early planning gives you time to pack, declutter, and schedule your movers without last-minute stress. Packing isn't just about putting things in boxes. Label boxes by room, use bubble wrap for fragile items, and keep essentials separate for easy access. Large or delicate furniture may need professional handling, and that's where movers shine. A reliable moving company makes all the difference. Look for transparent pricing, trained crews, and positive reviews. Movers with long-distance experience know how to handle logistics, timing, and heavy items so your belongings arrive safely and on schedule. Moving from Kirkland to anywhere in the USA doesn't have to be stressful. With the right plan and team, you can focus on settling into your new home. Check the link below for a free quote from 3 movers, and subscribe for more moving tips you can trust.